Hey everyone, welcome back to Velf Creations. Today, we are really excited to check out the new RA2 Pro Rotary Accessory Kit from xTool. There are a few great things in this pack, so stay tuned to learn more. Let's see what comes in the box. First, it comes with a set of 2 hex screwdrivers. There is some assembly required and you will have to remove your existing xTool F1 baseplate. Next are 2 limit pieces or alignment brackets. We will go over these at the end of the video. You will receive a little bag that has additional M3, M4 screws and positioning studs for the laser positioning module. And speaking of the laser positioning module, this is what it looks like, and it helps you get your piece perfectly aligned with the F1. Finally, as I struggle to get it out of the box, is the L-shaped module. This module will allow you to easily tilt things like rings or level out tapered tumblers. Alright, let's get to the assembly. We will start by removing these 2 screws that attach the rotary system to the base plate. Next, we need to remove these 3 existing screws from the rotary tool. In the little bag, there are 3 replacement screws that are a bit longer and will allow us to attach the motor assembly to the L-shaped module. The motor assembly can now slide into the L-shaped module like this, and we can attach the 2 together with the 3 screws. Great, looks good. The awesome thing about this module is that it lets us tilt our piece up to get a different angle on our engravings. We can also now get the laser module attached. The laser module has a battery door on the bottom and also 2 magnetic studs that will allow us to add or remove the module when not in use. To do this, we need to remove the 2 screws that hold the rotary assembly. The kit also comes with 2 longer replacement screws and 2 positioning studs. When adding the studs, make sure the chamfered ends are facing up. Same thing on the other side. And now with the arrow pointing in the correct direction, we can simply place the laser module on top and it will automatically snap into place. How neat is that? On to our very first engraving on the inside of the ring and our first project with the new L-shaped module. I will get the RA2 Pro setup by plugging in the cable and positioning it on the left side of the machine like this. Next, I'll place the ring in the chuck using the ring studs and tighten it. Nice! Now we can use the knob on the back of the L-shaped module to gradually angle the ring up. We have never tried to do the inside of the ring because it seemed like a hassle to wedge something underneath the RA2 to get the perfect angle. But this new module makes it so easy as we watch this ring engrave in real time. We would like to thank you for your continued support with our channel. We have loved making videos like this and seeing all the amazing projects people have made using our settings. Hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and the like button if you would like to see more videos like this. Turned out great. Now let's see how we can use this module with a tumbler. We will remove the ring studs and replace them with the chuck attachments. Since this tumbler is tapered, it is important to level it out, and the L-shaped module makes it really easy. Now we can use the laser module to perfectly center the tumbler. The last thing we will be looking at are these alignment brackets. They allow you to place your rotary in the same exact spot every time for batch processing. These come with a sticky gel that allows you to attach them to the bed of your D1, M1, P2, or S1 laser engravers. Unfortunately, we haven't found a use for them because of the way the rotary sits on top of the base of the F1. How would you use these with the F1? Thank you so much for watching our review of the RA2 Pro Accessory Kit.